I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by picking the goal, privacy or access. Once chosen, scan VPN providers for AES 256 encryption, a strict no-logs policy, and WireGuard or Open VPN support. These matter for speed and security. Next, make the account. Use an email you control and a payment method like card, PayPal, or crypto if you want extra anonymity. While signing up, enable multi-factor authentication so your account can't be easily hijacked. This first step puts you into the app download stage. You now install the provider's official app or configure your router. Do not use unofficial builds. Once installed, pick a protocol. WireGuard gives faster performance while OpenVPN offers broad device compatibility. Then enter your credentials. Make sure to turn on the kill switch so traffic stops if the VPN drops. Enable AutoConnect for untrusted networks and DNS leak protection to avoid exposing name lookups. Finally, test a few server locations to balance latency versus access. This tuning improves performance and reliability. You finish by verifying that your public IP and DNS requests reflect the VPN server. Run simple checks to confirm. If a site blocks you, switch servers, enable obfuscation or change protocol and port. These steps bypass deep packet inspection and throttling. Should problems persist, collect app logs and contact support, but first update the app and reboot the device. Many issues resolve that way. If speeds remain slow, try another nearby server or split tunneling so only selected apps use the VPN.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.